Okay, we're standing up on top of the fan now, above the active channel. If you can see my truck way down the fan there. And up here, this is a still fairly fine-grained part of the fan. Lots of gravel, a few boulders here and there. But as I scan to the south, and before I do that, there's beautiful Walker Lake. There's a sad story of water being diverted and consumed before it gets here, and so a lot of years no water gets into Walker Lake, and it's just been plummeting. Over the last 100 years or so, it's dropped maybe 50-55 meters or so, and it's a sad thing because as the water levels drop, the salts become more concentrated, and the TDS, total dissolved solids, are now somewhere in the order of 16 or 18,000 milligrams per liter, or parts per million, however you prefer. And whatever was living in there, like Lahontan cutthroat trout, tweed chub, and that sort of thing, not so much anymore. It's becoming lethal for them. And the only way to fix it is to provide more water to the lake. And there's an effort that is being carried out as we speak to do that, but it's a slow, laborious process, and I hope it's successful. So as I look south here along the fan, down the fan, maybe hard to see from this view, but this little steep slope about 100 meters in front of us, it matches another steep slope that's facing it. We're looking down the axis of a little fault graben here along the range front fault. This feature shows up very well in air photos. If I had one, I'd show you, but I don't. And this is indicative of probably a couple of surface rupturing events. We know that both of these, all the faulting here that we can see right in front of us is younger than 15,000, because it's the fault is cutting up through alluvial fan deposits, which were deposited after Lake Lahontan receded from its high stand around 15,000 years ago. So gives you some nice relative age cross-cutting relationships. So just a view of the beautiful Wassuk Range, very rugged. You can see the Lahontan high stand up there. It's the top of that bouldery platform, and there we go to complete the 360. Good.